Afternoon everyone, my name is Alex. Welcome to another video in our 360-degree industry series. Today we are going to discuss the Asset Lifecycle Management functionality available in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Asset Lifecycle Management, or ALM for short, aims to drive greater value from your assets, whether they are plants, facilities, or equipment. From capital planning and budgeting, to procurement, operations, maintenance, and repair. ALM maximize profitability and return on investment. The underlying foundation of the Asset Lifecycle Management architecture is Microsoft's Dynamics 365 ERP. Extending the traditional ERP, enable us to deliver advanced asset management capabilities. Let's sketch a few ALM scenarios. A few years after you bought an expensive truck tire, do you know how old it is? In which truck or plant has it been used? Or, is it still under warranty? What is the replacement value of the tire? And, which make or model tire lasts the longest in your business? Or, if you own a bottling plant, how frequently has each line been serviced? What is the average time between breakdowns? And, what is the availability and utilization of each machine? Or, if you rent out a truck, who drove it a year ago? Which company was it rented to? How many kilometers did it drive last month? And, what was your revenue and maintenance cost last year? Now, these are the type of questions an integrated ALM solution will answer for you. Out of the box, the native Dynamics ERP includes very little ALM functionality. Microsoft relies on industry partners to use their expertise to build vertical extensions inside the Microsoft Dynamics architecture. This model allows for best-of-breed industry solutions to be combined with best-of-breed ERP, delivering natively integrated functionality in one single cloud platform. The ALM functionality in Dynamics focuses on the management of enterprise-wide assets across departments, facilities, business units, and geographical locations. At its core, ALM delivers techniques for holistic control and optimization of asset life cycles. From acquisition, commissioning, operations, to retirement. This ALM cradle-to-grave framework optimizes and extends asset life cycles and reduces total cost of ownership while maximizing availability, utilization, and return on investment. This is key for all industries with high-value capital investments. Circling through the life cycle moments of an asset, you will realize that optimizing the life and controlling the cost of core capital assets are central to an asset management strategy. Through advanced asset management functionality, more than 20 asset KPIs are managed and reported on, thus creating 360-degree visibility on assets which need to be retired and where there is an asset shortage. If you decide to build, procure, lease, or rent new asset, ALM includes extensive functionality and workflows to support your strategy. Bringing new assets on board can be a tedious task. Through the baseline management module, new assets can be introduced quickly. All baseline parameters such as valid parts, supporting documentation, aging and warranties are captured. Depending on industry, you may be operating your assets directly or rent them out to customers. The operational and contract management modules cater for all these permutations. An advanced billing module is available for different billing scenarios. The ALM maintenance functionality caters for all maintenance strategies and include corrective, preventative, predictive and condition-based maintenance. Comprehensive multi-meter maintenance forecasting is standard. It is possible to directly capitalize maintenance cost to an asset or invoice costs back to a customer. In most industries, an asset can be rebuilt, enhanced, and redeployed into a different production area. Searching for these kind of opportunities can deliver many additional hours and profits from your operational assets. Once an asset has reached its useful life, it is time to decommission it, sell it for what it is worth, or cancel the bespoke supplier lease. Purple Windows 360-degree ALM functionality is seamlessly part of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Through this architecture, a best-of-breed, single-platform, cloud-based ALM solution is available for all capital-intensive industries. Purple Window is an accredited Microsoft industry partner and software developer. Purple Window specializes in building asset management extensions, such as 360-degree ALM, for Microsoft Dynamics 365, Finance and Operations. They have been building Microsoft vertical solutions for the last 15 years. Purple Window is an expert in the management and optimization of simple and complex assets. The company has experience in various capital-intensive industries. Thanks for listening, and be on the lookout for other interesting topics in our 360-degree industry series.